Priscilla, Iyabo Ojo's daughter. I have watched a lot of videos, content creators. I have read a lot of comments, keypad warriors. Unado. You can drag Iyabo Ojo because of her political affiliation, drag her because of the role she played in the issue of Mohbad, drag her for the role she played in the issue of Baba Ijesha. You can call her a cloud chaser, you can call her a drama queen, but when it comes to parenting, I will score Iyabo Ojo 99%.
Tọ́ ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ọ̀rọ̀ yìí alẹ́yìn o ọ̀rọ̀ Lizzy Anjorin pẹ̀lú arábìnrin tí ẹ̀ ń wò lójú àwòrán yìí tí a ń pe orúkọ rẹ̀ ní Ìyábọ̀ Òjó lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ìgbéyàwó ọmọ rẹ̀ tí wọ́n ṣe ní ọjọ́ mélòó sẹ́yìn nílùú Tanzania. Ọ̀rọ̀ náà ni ó ti di gbọ́nmi sí omi ò tó lẹ́ẹ̀rín Ìyábọ̀ Òjó pẹ̀lú Lizzy Anjorin. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ìjẹ́rò wípé ibi tọ́rọ̀ ń lọ báyìí kò ní lẹ́yìn o. Nǹkan tẹ́ bá lérò ẹ gbìyànjú láti tẹ̀ sí comment section, ẹ gbìyànjú láti wo fídíò yìí láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ títí dé ìparí.
And the remaining 1% is because there's always room for improvement. That is why we reserve that 1%. If not, I go score like 1,000 over 100 when it comes to parenting. Iyabo Ojo ko àwọn ọmọ yẹn tún ara wọn kọ́. Priscilla is 23 years old. She's a graduate, a celebrity, and she has been so decent. Festus is schooling in, is it Turkey or something? If not for Iyabo Ojo, where they always post their children, where they always talk about them, you people who not for know those children. The only thing Priscilla have been posting, she posts about, when she's hanging out with her friends, she's posting about, her deals, she's posting all of those things. Have you ever heard any bad thing about Priscilla? Talk, make we dey talk. Have you ever heard anything bad about Priscilla? Iyabo Ojo rí àánú gbà lórí àwọn ọmọ yẹn o. Àwọn ọmọ tí yín tó ń ṣẹ̀sìn ní kẹ́ lọ bójútó. Àwọn ọmọ títí yín tó ń ṣẹ̀sìn àwọn ní kẹ́ lọ bójútó. Because Iyabo Ojo ó rí àwọn ọmọ yẹn tọ́. Do you know how many deals Priscilla have gotten? Do you know when she started making her millions? Same thing with Mercy Aigbe, Michelle. Those kids are decent. They are decent. In this modern age, that it is so difficult to raise well-trained kids. At least their matter no dey for social media, their matter dey private. And when the video of her boy, when she went to pick up her fiancé at the airport, and the whole video she was stranded, I was like, what exactly is going on? That the Priscilla I have always known have been so private. Say waiting this up. So apparently a couple of hours, we got to know that they got engaged. At 23 years old, Pikin we don't travel wide and far. Pikin we don't buy Benz from our deals. I beg, don't worry about Priscilla. She's okay. Don't worry about Iyabo Ojo. I will score her 99% again. Say, ọmọ yẹn tọ́ra wọn. Tọ́mọ dé bá dé tó lọ́kọ máa fún lọ́kọ ni. If you like, drag her as much as you like. But when it comes to parenting, I will call Iyabo Ojo a successful mother. You know what it takes to raise innocent kids, decent kids. Láyé sìn, àwọn ọmọ tó lówó lọ́wọ́, àwọn ọmọ tó jáde, àwọn ọmọ tó rí gbòòrò, àwọn ọmọ tó ń roll pẹ̀lú celebrity. How many saga have you heard about Priscilla? How many saga?
The only thing for me is that the two of them should understand and respect each other's cultural differences. Yes, you can say Tanzania and Nigeria, they are both, African countries, but there are still differences you talk about the culture, you talk about the food. If they can respect each other's, cultural differences, I think they'll be fine. And I wish them all the best.